So good morning to you, my lovely.
Morning.
It is a gorgeous day today, isn't it?
It's alright, yeah, it's alright.
It's lovely. So I'm just moulding away anyway. Demoulding, whatever you want to call it.
Yep.
And I'm going to be doing my food challenge today.
Yeah, and I know what you're making.
Yeah, I've just told you.
And it's very similar to what System Skynet did.
Yes. Well, I didn't know that. I'd already brought my ingredients because I haven't watched Skynet's video yet. I haven't had time.
Okay.
But, yeah.
Looking forward to it though.
Yeah, it'll be
I hope it's as
nice.
nice as yesterday's buffet.
Yeah, that was lovely.
That was lovely.
That was a big treat for me and you. What about
nice.
Bob and Jenny's video? How did you feel about that?
Yeah, it worked alright, but it's like I said to him, he could have made a coffee rice.
A coffee rice?
Yeah, because that one of the ingredients they had was coffee, and they had cauliflower rice. I thought they could have mixed the coffee in with it, but they didn't.
And what about adding chilli? Do you think you would have added more chilli?
Well, I would have done,
Yeah.
but that's just me.
It looked very similar to yours at the end, didn't it?
Yeah, well, thank you for taking up the challenge, Bob and Jenny.
Yeah.
I didn't think you would, I'll be honest, but you did. Bless you.
So it's been 15 minutes as recommended. It's eaten into it. We need a new panel.
Need a new roof, Mazzy.
Yeah.
Brand new big fancy roof.
Well, I hope you're not contemplating in doing it. Actually, I reckon you could.
I'll give it a go.
But anyway, it's not dank and horrible up here. It's fine. But this stuff hasn't really cut the job. I think if you've got fresh mould, it might be better.
I've used it before, it does work on fresh mould.
Yeah.
It's good stuff. But the only good thing about this is
Yeah.
you don't see it when the bed's up.
No.
Even if we come to sell the motorhome.
Yeah, just hope they don't bring the bed down.
Yeah, but when they do, you know, everyone's going to realise, well, at least it's above that, and no, you're not going to see it every day, so...
And if you're wondering, this is like board, and then this bit is carpet, so that's why it's not affected this bit.
Alright.
Oh, there's a little fly. Yeah, it just gets damp up here, doesn't it, from the cold weather?
It's his own fault, really. We should have kept pulling the bed down and opening the window, but
Yeah.
we haven't. Never mind,
Never mind, I'll give it a go.
You live and learn.
What time did we get up this morning?
I got up at about 3 o'clock.
And what's the time now?
About 11 o'clock. So I'm ready for bed.
You can forget that. The day's only just begun. Now, what have you been doing? You've got an addiction, haven't you?
I have got an addiction at the moment, yes.
Right, explain.
Well, I have said in the past, me and you were addicted to Candy Crush, the game on your phone.
I've deleted mine, by the way.
I haven't deleted mine, I'm up to level 2700, but I don't play that very often now. Addicted to a new game called Gardenscapes.
Yeah, we both play that now.
We're
don't
both
we?
addicted to it.
We're in the same team, actually, aren't
Yeah,
we?
we're both addicted to it, but I have
I'm
a
not
serious
addicted.
problem with it. I'm on about level 2700 again, same, but I'm just so good at it. I can't put my phone down.
My point is, anyway, right, I got up at, 8 o'clock this morning.
Mm-hmm.
It's now gone 11. You have not put your phone down.
I did.
What? Oh, to film me?
No, I put it down earlier so I could lift my beer up.
You got a bad addiction. We're going to have to get you some...
There's nothing else to do, it's lockdown. I might as well just play games on my phone. What else can I do?
You got to film me. I got my challenge. You challenged me now.
Are you going to do your challenge?
Yep.
At last?
Yep.
Okay, come on then.
So you've introduced me to this new group, haven't you?
Stornoway.
I love them. They're so good.
To be honest, most of the songs are rubbish. It's just this one particular album which is fantastic. Can't remember what it's called, so I can't tell you. But Stornoway, as in the Scottish Island, check them out.
We're allowed 10 seconds. Play a little bit for the guys.
I caught the sun on my way home,
my way home. Whoa. So the other day, I challenged you.
You did.
The Lockdown 3 food challenge.
Yes.
So you can use 3 foods,
Yeah.
preferably things you've already got in your cupboards for lockdown.
Preferably, but I've not had nothing in the cupboards all week, so I've bought these specially. But they could be items you usually would have in the house, so...
Okay, so Mazzy, take it away. Get stuffed.
Yeah, I'm doing stuffed mushrooms today. You get stuffed. I'm doing stuffed mushrooms today, guys. So, my first ingredient is mushrooms.
Okay.
Okay. Second ingredient will be bacon.
Okay.
And my third ingredient will be cheese.
Okay.
And then a few herbs.
Herbs.
Yeah, which they're free foods now, aren't they?
You're allowed herbs, sauces, condiments.
Oh, they're not very good, are they? Now, our supermarkets here aren't that great, guys. So our ingredients are limited. But anyway, I'm going to go with it. Peel. I'm only going to do 2. 1 each. Okay?
How are you going to stuff that? How are you
I know, that's what I mean. It's not really...
I don't think they're the kind of mushrooms you're meant to use for stuffed mushrooms.
I know. I think I've messed up already.
You've messed up big time.
Hold on, this one might
That's
not be too
unstuffable,
bad.
Mazzy.
No, this one might not be too bad.
What are you doing?
Just rubbing a tiny bit of oil on each.
You're rubbing oil on?
Yeah.
I'll tell you one thing I love about mushrooms. Can you hold one up for us? I haven't washed my hands. Turn it over.
Now, they are a bit brown, but
That doesn't matter. Turn it over.
Yeah.
No. Please.
What?
Lift one up
Yeah.
and turn it over.
What do you mean? Oh, nice one.
There's Mazzy's mushroom. I just want to show this because isn't that one of the most beautiful pieces of nature in the world?
It's disgusting.
The way it does that creasy thing, I think it is absolutely beautiful.
Can I tell you a fact?
Yeah?
I used to work in a mushroom factory.
Oh, you've worked in every kind of sausage and mushroom factory.
Chicken factory was my longest one, but I've worked in a mushroom factory for about 6 months.
You've done a mushroom factory, a sausage factory,
yeah,
and a chicken factory.
Chicken factory was, my longest, and I really enjoyed that. But yeah, anyway.
Do you want to hear one of my facts?
Yeah.
I used to work in a hotel.
That's nothing relevant to what we're talking about.
No, it is.
Okay, let me put these in the oven. Got to bake these for about 10 minutes.
I used to work in a hotel, which was... I was like a wine waiter stroke barman, right? I was only 21. I had my 21st birthday there.
Okay.
And it was owned by the local chicken factory owner.
Ah!
He actually owned the hotel as well. Now, this hotel, it was a big one. It was where people went for Christmas parties, and they'd have people like the Supremes, like 60s groups.
Okay, get to the point. You're going on.
Anyway, he owned this, and nobody liked him. I got on really well with him. He liked me. And one night, we had an Elvis impersonator on for a Christmas function. 300 people, all sat down, dining, drinking wine, posh do. Elvis wasn't very good, so Mr. Webb himself went up and told him to get off the stage. He says, "You're rubbish." People were paying £40, £50 a ticket for this. He says, "You're rubbish, get off." So Elvis punched him in the face.
Oh, wow.
I wasn't working that night. I'm gutted that I missed it, but yeah, true fact. Anyway, that's enough about chicken factories and chicken factory owners. So where are we at? You've got that in the oven?
So I've got to bake them for at least 10 minutes. Okay, these mushrooms aren't really cupped. You've got to have a mushroom.
Well, you've got the wrong kind, I've said that.
Keep the stalks. This is for the filling.
You're going to fill a mushroom with mushroom stalks?
Yeah!
Yeah, it's literally going to be mushroom, isn't it?
Right, anyway.
Stuffed mushroom with mushroom.
Stuff you. I'm getting on with the filling now.
Okay, good luck. So with the butter mushrooms, they're literally just being chopped up, and then they're going to go into a little bit of fat. Is it fat? What do you call it?
Just a bit of oil.
Yeah. Oh, we're nearly right. Oil, bacon, pan, in.
Yeah.
Is there anything more to add?
Yeah, I'm going to chuck all the mushroom in as well. I'm going to leave them too, because I think that's enough stuffing.
I've never heard of stuffing mushrooms with mushrooms.
Really?
Seems a bit weird to me.
No, it's not. You
might as well just have a plate of mushrooms. Are you happy with that?
Yeah, just cook them off for a bit. Right, so it's a bit of a disaster. This is smelling like it's burnt. Although it doesn't look like it, but it absolutely stinks. And check these out. Look, I've just peeked on these. How are they going to be stuffed mushrooms?
No. Mushroom pancakes.
So we've got to flip them over now. Oh, this isn't happening, is it? Okay, no, I'll work with this.
Telling you, everyone thought you were a fantastic cook, but it's all coming out now.
I actually am, but just cut that bit out.
No, you couldn't stuff a mushroom to save your life.
Right, so anyway, with this, I've never done this before either, but I might grate a little bit of cheese in there.
Is that Grandma's cheese?
It's Irish, just cheddar.
Okay. Yeah, the Grandma's cheese is in there with the varicose veins.
Right, this is getting weird now. Right, so anyway, look at it. It's just a bit of a mess. But I'm gonna make it look nice.
It stinks.
It
absolutely stinks. That cheese smells minging.
Let's add some, what is that? Rosemary and oregano, whatever it's called.
So what's happening now?
It's a disaster. It's stuck to the pan.
Well, it will have stuck to the pan because you've put cheese in there and cheese sticks.
Yeah, well, I've never done it like that before. Do you know what? I'm just going to be done with it. Let's just get this done. Let's stuff our mushrooms, shall we?
Good luck. Is that your idea of stuffing a mushroom? Don't you need to put it on a plate, Mazzy?
No, because these get baked again.
They're getting baked again?
Yeah, that's the good bit about it.
I'd just like to say, though,
Yeah.
people will stop knocking my cooking from now on because mine were 10 times better than this.
Well, at least mine's edible.
I don't think it is going to be edible, Mazzy, unless you
Right.
like mushrooms.
Let's grate some cheese on top.
Mushroom stuffed mushrooms with mushroom sauce and cheese.
Yeah.
So you've grated cheese on top and you've put oregano on top of that.
Yeah.
And now you're trying to make some breadcrumbs.
Well, how can I make breadcrumbs with fresh bread without a blitzer?
Without a what?
A blitzer, like a food mixer.
Well, they didn't have a blitzer back in 1800, Matthew.
So tell me how I can make some breadcrumbs. I don't know.
You need, well, in 1800s, what they used to do is because people didn't wash very often. They used to have like 2 baths a year.
I'm just going to
They'd have really rough feet.
Oh!
No, that's what they did. Honestly, they used to rub the bread on the bottom of the feet, and it would make breadcrumbs.
Actually, I could have grated it, I suppose. Couldn't I? I'm just going to put blobs like that. This isn't how to do it, but it'll do.
So that's your breadcrumbs.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Deep fried Mazzy.
Right, back in the oven. And then make some sauce for this. These are going to be really nice.
So you're making the sauce now?
Yeah, just going to do a bit because you said you'd like it with a bit. Going to add some extra black peppercorn. Oh, gosh. Gosh, that was a bit too many. Okay.
Yeah.
And some milk.
Milk?
Yeah, that's how you make peppercorn sauce. Yeah. And I'll get back to you when this is
I disagree, to be honest with you.
Why? Would you disagree?
Well, you don't need peppercorns and milk to make peppercorn sauce when the packet of sauce which you're using is hot peppercorn sauce.
Yeah, but I like the peppercorn corns and you do too, so...
Okay, so you're making a posh peppercorn sauce?
Yeah, just peppercorn sauce. It'll be ready in a minute. Are you hungry?
No. Not now I've seen what you've been making. Here we go.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay.
Let me turn the oven off.
The stuffed mushroom looks like the mushroom's disintegrated. Let's be honest. I need to zoom in. I can hardly see it. There's hardly up there.
There we go.
It does look nice there, actually.
There we go. Bit of extra.
Yeah, that one don't look as nice.
And we want some sauce with it, yeah?
Well, we need something with it, yeah?
Right, ready?
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Let's try this.
So you could use 3 ingredients, Mazzy.
Yeah?
And this is all you've come up with. It's
Yeah.
not a meal, is it? It's just like... That ain't gonna last one forkful.
It's fine. It would be a meal if it.
It is. Yeah, I agree. It is.
Yeah. Are you ready to dive in with me? We're going to try this.
I'd rather
together.
you dive in, and then I'll see your reaction, and I might dive in myself, but I doubt it.
Okay.
Right, go for it.
Yeah.
So this is stuffed mushrooms. Well, stuffed mushrooms with mushroom sauce. Is it edible?
Yeah, it's edible.
Is it nice?
I probably would have left the origami out of it, whatever it's called.
Yeah, I was thinking that when you put it in. Would you eat this again?
Yeah?
Are you sure you'd eat this
Yeah, I'm going to finish it.
again? Look at the state of that.
It's a lot of peppercorns.
Let me try it. I'll be the judge. That is actually really, really nice.
Really? You like it?
I'm amazed. I thought that was going to be disgusting. But it's actually really, really nice. The mushroom itself, it tastes like a steak. It does.
God.
The consistency of it is like a steak, you know, really tough, thick. I'll give you 9 for taste and the meal.
Yeah.
I'll give you 3 because it only became like that because you cocked it all up.
Well, I'm still taking it as a compliment.
Very nice. Thank you very much. If you like mushrooms and you like gravel, you're going to love this. It's absolutely beautiful. I'd have that again, yeah. I have to be honest.
Yeah.
Although I really enjoyed that as I was eating it, it's the aftertaste.
Too peppery.
You know when you're changing a tyre on a bicycle?
Yeah.
It tastes like that. You know the smell you get from the rubber? On a hot summer's day and you take the tyre off and it's got that smell. It smells a bit like that.
Well, the plates are empty.
Well, if I hadn't have eaten it, you'd have gone balmy, so I've eaten it. It were alright, yeah. It tasted fantastic, but it's this aftertaste. It's a bit...
Right, so that's my challenge. And I've just thought I've got to think of somebody to pick now, haven't I?
You have? Go on very quickly.
I don't know who.
I'll help you out. Caravanning with the Coxes.
Yep, okay.
And we need 2 more, Mazzy.
Yeah, I'm going to go with Yorkshire Motorhomes Motorhome Adventurers. That's a long name. I always get confused. Now, I'm sure I...
Adventures, not adventurers.
Oh, okay, Adventures.
Adventures.
Yeah. So go over to their channel and watch those. And I'm also going to choose the Urban Motorhome.
Okay.
So I hope you guys will be
I bet
a good
they don't.
sport.
I bet they don't. So the challenge is, guys, you get to have 3 ingredients. It's 3 things you've got to have in your van on lockdown and make a meal out of it.
Your home. It's
Or at home, whatever
Yeah.
you're in. And you can't use anything which is outside your house, just things in your house or motorhome. Right, thank you very much for watching.
Yep.
I do look a mess today. I didn't do my hair today.
Didn't you?
Couldn't be bothered.
Do you want me to help?
No. Couldn't be bothered. I didn't shave. I didn't do my hair.
You look beautiful.
I do, don't I? I don't think I need to do anything some days.
Nope.
Anyway, catch you all next time, guys. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, thanks, guys. Love y'all.
Stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Please comment and hit the like button. That helps our channel grow.
If you like what you see, click here to subscribe. Check out this other great video.
And if you really want to show your support, join the club, become a Patreon for extra videos and perks.
The more support we get, the more content we can give. We'll see you tomorrow
On
Travel Trolls TV.